Hi everyone, happy Friday. Welcome to Homebody. I am Felicia, your host for today's video. It's not only Friday, today is August 1st. Yay! We made it to another month. God has blessed us to see another August 1st, and how awesome is that? So what do I have going on in this space that's different from the last living room tour that you've seen? Yes, I love doing tours in this space. This is my favorite room in my home. I like the fact that I can change out my accessories so easily. Accessories like my pillows, my candles, and things like that. So let's get into the details of the space, starting with the furniture. My couch is from TLV. Now it's a TLV piece, but you can get your hands on this from Wayfair, from Amazon, and actually from the TLV website itself. I will place a link down below to the sofa. My the chairs are from Wayfair. And I actually purchased a 2-piece set. I don't think that's available. I think you can get the chairs individually, and they do come in multiple colors. My coffee table is also a TLV piece. You can get it from Wayfair, Amazon, and the TLV website itself. My end tables on the side are from Homary. I also have those linked down below. Love those coffee tables. End tables, I'm sorry. Look, the coffee table had like the the marble effect around it, and also the end tables has the marble effect. Actually, not effect. They're really marble. Love, love, love the marble looks that the furniture is giving. And my accent table over here is from Z Gallery. And if I pan around, I'm going to go slowly. My entryway table is from Wayfair. And now what I like to always mention about this entryway table is that it's not real wood. This is something that I picked up because it was affordable and beautiful. I think I paid about $200, no more than $250 for this piece, but it's not the real wood. It's the engineered wood. And then it has the little skinny legs, but nevertheless, it's so modern, so sleek, and so beautiful. So if you're looking to get something affordable and beautiful, this is actually the credenza or sideboard for you. So let me pan back around this way since we talked about all the furniture. So my pillows, all these pillows are actually from Z Gallery. And guys, let me tell you, this pillow here is on clearance. I think Z Gallery have it for like 40 bucks. All colors are 40 bucks, 48 bucks, I think. So if you always wanted these pillows, but you didn't want to spend 100 bucks for them, now is the time to get them. And then also these pillows here are the same color as the bling pillow, but I'm not sure if these are on sale, but if they're available, I will link these as well. These are some little circle pillows with that Mongolian fur, and they are so beautiful. They have these in different colors as well. I'll link those below as well. Now these metallic pillows, I think they're on sale, but they're not on clearance. But I have a coupon code for everything that's from Z Gallery so that you can get an additional 5% off. My lamps also from Z Gallery. My wall art and my sconces are also from Z Gallery. I'll have everything linked. My pampas grass is from Etsy. If I can find it, I will link it. It is so beautiful. Only thing I don't like about this pampas grass is that it sheds a lot. It's pampas particles all in my windowsill. I'm going to have to get my vacuum and get that out. But yes, this is like a fuchsia. It is fuchsia. And it's the exact same color as my pillows. So pretty. You know, I love me some color. And my vase here is from Z Gallery as well. Then I have these pineapple candle holders. You know, summer, we're mid-summer. We're smack in the middle of summer. But for me, this may be my last summer video. I'm going to jump into my fall. Those pineapple candle holders are from Amazon. And my candles are also from Amazon. These are cute. They come in multiple colors as well. So let's back up. My area rug is from Wayfair, and this here is from, I think this is from Home Goods or Burlington. It may be from Burlington. I bet you this is from Burlington. Let me see if I still have the tag underneath there. No, I don't. Y'all know I will have the tag on something for 10 years. My mirror is from Z Gallery. It's no longer sold, but I did find a dupe to this mirror from Wayfair. It's not the exact same mirror, but it'll give you the same look that this mirror is giving me, and I'll place a link down below to that. All my drapes are from Amazon, and this is 108 inches, 52 by 108 inches here. So I'm going to panel around here. My floor lamp is from Z Gallery. The silver Miami vases are from Z Gallery as well. These are on sale for like, I don't know, they may be $40. If not, they may be $60 a piece, but I do have a coupon available that you can use. They come in the gold, silver, and white. And I think right now the silver is the only full set that's available. I want to get my hands on some white ones. And then this table lamp is a sister to my floor lamp. That's from Z Gallery as well. My wall art is from At Home. That wall sconce is from Amazon. Then I have a couple of flamingos here on the floor. That's from Ross, if I'm not mistaken. Then I have a little runner here. I think this is either a 5 or a 6 foot runner. It came from Wayfair. My door is from Home Depot. I love my door. And if you notice, the area rug and the runner, they're twins. Oh, and I didn't talk about these little vases right here. These are from Amazon. These are called Solaris vases. Now, if you ever wanted to get these, now is the time because they're on sale. And then you can also get them for 5% off. These will be perfect for Christmas because you can put snow in here with little reindeer. You can put little small ornaments. Get you some because I'm going to have some fun with my vases for the holiday seasons that's coming up. And before I forget, my chandelier is from Wayfair. And it comes in multiple colors and it's beautiful. So this is the end of this video, and I hope that you all enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.